Hello folks. So today I am actually trying out how live share is authenticating its users. So I've done this before, but I forgot, so I'm just gonna do it again and then note down how it does it because I am trying to build a remote pairing tool for pair programming. So yeah, I'm trying to understand how other tools do it. So this is what it says. So it says sign in with Microsoft, sign in with GitHub, and it has a side notification showing starting collaboration session. Sign in to proceed, and if I don't do it, if I come out or escape, it says starting collaboration session. You need to be authenticated to proceed. And clicking it, it says sources thing and all that. Okay, so you can see that's a nice UI. Close it. So let's start again, right? Live share or live share, open chat, sign in with Slack, right? Can we bring that? Live share, sign in with browser with user code. What is user code? No idea. Let's just go ahead and this, and I'm going to go ahead with GitHub, and it takes me to a GitHub app, and it asks me to do uh, authorization. So it says authorize Visual Studio Live Share. Um, okay, I'll just close this for now and say cancel. Tries to sign me in if you see below, but I'm just gonna cancel here. And it's in Microsoft. What does it say? Can't remember how I did it last time actually. Let's see. Uh, Slack. Show Slack. What is that? Okay, Slack. So that was for, oh, it's chat. It's for live share chat. So this app hasn't been reviewed or approved by Slack. Team chat for VS Code is requesting permission to access the CouchDB Slack workspace. Okay, that is a Slack workspace that I mean. Content and information about you, identity, all the content in the workspace. Wow. I'm not going to give you that. No. So I guess that is like some kind of integration for chat. So there is a sign in with browser thing, sign in with user code thing. Okay. Okay. Doesn't work. Okay. User console. Okay. So I guess I'm gonna have to do the GitHub one and authorize, and it says I'll be directed and awesome. So it says starting collaboration session and so yep, it started. I'm not sure how they exactly did this. I'm guessing they had a deep link or something of that sort. That's my guess, yes. So it says signed in and ready to use Visual Studio. Like share, close this window and go back to area, have an area, okay. User code direction. If the tool you're using fails to automatically detect this successful login, you may enter this user code instead and then you select enter user code and from the info bar that appears, okay. Okay, so this is what the sign in with user code meant. If I reload, so token error, the code pass is incorrect or expired, okay. Okay, so it's a one-time user code, okay. The invitation link is copied and send it here. Okay. Probably need only. And well, if I close this, can I just stop the collaboration? Stop, and it's gone. Done. So I can also sign out. Okay. Nice. This looks nice. So it knows how I also got in, as in through GitHub. So let's see how it looks probably in Atom. I've already logged into Atom, so I'm just gonna sign out first. Sign out, and it says so I've already authorized Teletype. So I'm just gonna copy this token, put it here. Okay, that's it. It logged me in. So in VS Code, the extra thing, was not being done, which is me going and copy pasting. Instead, they did have a code that I could copy and paste, but they did it automatically in VS Code. Okay, nice. And if I sign out on here again and reuse the token, oh, token is usable. Okay, I have to probably think about getting rid of that. I think no one can see it. So, I think good. No one can see it fully. And here tokens are just used once, so no problem with that. So because I'm screen sharing and someone could just maliciously, get into my account. So yeah, and probably share and stuff like that. Okay. I think I'm done over here. Probably I'll get you know do another video if I'm going to try something new with Visual Studio Live Share or Atom, Teletype, or some other remote code parenting. Yep. Stopping. Bye bye.